NFTs, or non-fungible tokens?
First they were up, then they were down, and now NFTs are roaring back to record highs.
An asset that has been verified using blockchain technology.
A new boom in NFTs.
NFTs?
NFTs.
NFT.
It looks ridiculous to us.
It's not for me.
Like, I never thought I could sell my work like this.
What's behind this latest craze?
These could be the new digital world.
Nothing will be the same again.
There have been some seriously strange things going on in the past 12 months. A JPEG selling for $69 million, someone paying $3 million for a tweet, and sports clips going for hundreds of thousands of dollars. And it's all about 3 letters. I'm talking about NFT. In 2021, NFTs took the crypto markets by storm. $41 billion were spent on them, 164 times more than 2020. That's some serious money. And the market is projected to grow even bigger in 2022. Big name companies like Nike, Pepsi, and even Pizza Hut, just name a few, are piling into the craze. NFTs look set to go mainstream. So what is all the fuss about NFTs? Well, I'm here to explain everything you need to know about them. What is an NFT? How are NFTs created? Why own an NFT? How do you buy them? Where do you store them? And how to sell an NFT? First things first, what the hell is an NFT? Well, it's a non-fungible token. What? But let me translate. Fungible, which is a great word by the way, basically means replaceable. So for instance, here's a dollar bill. That can be replaced with another dollar bill, which is effectively exactly the same. By definition, non-fungible means the opposite, irreplaceable, one of a kind, a collectible. So in simple terms, an NFT represents a unique digital item. That digital item can be anything from music to a website domain, digital clothing to gaming collectibles, even a plot of virtual land. Now, this is where I get to a key point and where the token part of NFT comes in. Newsflash, the NFT is not the digital item itself. It's a token representing it. And not every unique digital item is represented by an NFT. At the moment, we're still in the millions for NFTs in circulation. Although, that number is rising fast as new ones are created every day. For an NFT to be created, it needs to be minted. Minting an NFT is similar to the way that real-world money is added into circulation. Until it's minted, it's not usable. An NFT is minted on a blockchain, the digital public ledger that's unchangeable and tamper-proof, creating a token that certifies the digital asset. Now the NFT can be purchased and traded in the market. Because the blockchain, just as it does with cryptocurrencies, provides proof of ownership. Back to the type of digital assets represented by NFTs. By far the biggest share of the current NFT market is digital artwork. Comparing it to art in the real world is actually an easy way of understanding the craze for NFTs. Adriana Hoppenbauer from Fabricant Digital Fashion summed it up perfectly when we spoke to her about the metaverse. If you want to see that film, follow the link below.
It's like you go to the Louvre and you see Mona Lisa, the real thing hanging. And then you go to the Louvre shop and you buy a copy of it. It's not the same thing. So we understand the concept really well when it comes to physicality. Why we don't understand the concept when it comes to digital? It's the same thing.
Just like the Mona Lisa, although copies can and have been made, there's only one irreplaceable original. And like any collectible that has limited supply, NFTs can sell for massive amounts of money, which is where that $69 million for a JPEG by digital artist Beeple comes in.
Things, it's like if everybody wants it, well then it has value.
Also, the musician Grimes sold a bunch of NFT images, songs, and videos for nearly $6 million. But don't get caught up thinking NFTs are a guaranteed road to mega money.
I'm worried, Robert. Really worried.
There's always a chance to lose big buying into the wrong thing. NFTs, like real art, do not have inherent value. Their value is purely driven by what people are prepared to pay for them.
Smart bidding, my dear.
Thank you.
Which creates bigger risk when it comes to valuing them. The jury is out as to whether some of the current prices being paid for NFTs are overinflated. And just like with tech stocks in the late 90s, there's a real danger this could be a bubble. So how do you get your hands on an NFT? I'm going to show you by diving into the digital art market myself, which means I need to get online. First stop, getting your hands on an NFT. NFTs are sold at online marketplaces and digital auction houses who take a fee. Think of it as like an Amazon or Etsy, but for digital assets. There are literally hundreds of them. The biggest ones include OpenSea, Rarible, Super Rare, and Foundation. There are also niche marketplaces for specialized assets. For example, right here we have NBA Top Shot, owned by the NBA, and they sell clips of players in action. But you know what? To buy my NFT, I'm gonna go with Solanart. And as you can see, there are hundreds of NFTs to choose from. Hold up. Important note here. Before you buy anything, you're gonna need a crypto wallet full of cryptocurrency to pay for your NFT. This is proper crypto trading. Now, to decide what NFT to buy, for me, I always ask 4 key questions. Is the digital artwork represented by the NFT any good? An obvious question, but it's often forgotten. I think it's also useful if you actually like the NFT. Number 2, how unique is the NFT? It might be part of a collection, so how big is that collection? The rarer the piece in that collection, the higher the value. Number 3, is the NFT usable? For example, there are NFTs that can be used within a game, within DeFi for yield farming, and even virtual fashion that can be used in the metaverse. It potentially makes the NFT more desirable. And importantly, if you want to trade your NFT at a later date, number 4 we have, is there hype around the NFT? An NFT's value is entirely driven by people's desire to own it. The bigger the community of people passionate about it, that makes it likely that the NFT will retain its value. This is where a brand plays a part. There are some big name brands already in the NFT market. And just like in the real world, they have some loyal followers. Adidas released a bunch of NFT collectibles in 2021, which raised the sportswear company $23 million in the matter of minutes. Nike has bought a virtual design company to make their own virtual clothes and sneakers, and restaurant chains, Taco Bell and Pizza Hut, have created their own NFTs. If you can get your hands on one of these NFTs when they're initially being released or minted, then there's a chance to make big money trading them on. And if not, then maybe take a punt on something less well known and much cheaper, which has the potential though to one day become just as valuable. Guess what? I've made my pick, and I'm going with Soldads. This is why I picked it. One of the main reasons is the price. If you look at the floor price right now, it is 0.24 Sol, which is about $40 US. And these are cheap, but I believe it has potential to go up in value. So I'm willing to take this bet. The artwork is unique. I like the colors on these. They're all pretty different. It's also part of a collection. Typically NFTs, some of them have 10,000, but as you can see, this one there's 5,750. And there are a total of 3 collections. There's Soul Dads, Soul Moms, and then you also get a Soul Kid as a result of owning a Soul Mom and Dad. So just like that right there, it's a 3-in-1, 3 NFTs, meaning if one goes up in value, most likely this whole collection goes up in value. So To buy one, I'm gonna click, for example, this one here. I like this one. Look at it. Look at the background on this. You got the blonde hair, sunglasses. Let's see how rare it is. It got 5 attributes. The face, normal, 32% of them in the collection have that. The outfit, 15% have that. The beard, 10%. This head, it's 7%. The eyes, with these Viper glasses, it's 5%. The price of this, 0.24 sold. So I have my wallet connected. What you would do once you reviewed everything, it looks good for me. I'm gonna buy this. So right now it is listed at a set price. So I can just click buy now and own this NFT. So I've now entered my wallet password. My wallet is already connected to Solanart, and I just need to approve the transaction that I want to buy this NFT. It will show you the cost of it, how much you're paying in fees, and then you just click approve. So right there, it says NFT has been sold, meaning I just purchased this NFT. So now guess what? Take a look at this. I've bought my sold ad. I now own 2 sold ads because this was one that I bought previously. This is the new one right here in my wallet. Where do I keep it? Marketplaces and project websites are connected to your crypto wallet. And then you can either keep hold of your NFT or at some point try to sell it on. So let's say I decide now I want to get rid of my NFT. It's pretty straightforward. Now usually my poor sold ad, I would sit on it for a while before thinking about selling him. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how it's done. And I think I'm going for it. So to sell this NFTs, usually on platforms like OpenSea, there are 3 different ways you can sell the NFT. You have one, which is a fixed price, which is like the buy it now button on eBay. And also an unlimited time auction, which allows people to bid until you accept one. And then there's a timed auction, which only lasts for a certain amount of time. Now, for this sold ad, I'm letting them go at a buy it now price. And what I would do is I just click sell and I put the price that I want to sell him for. So for this sold ad, I like him, but I'm going to let him go a little bit higher than what I paid for it. I'm going to put 0.4 Solana, which is about 50% higher. And my fee is right here, 0.36. The artist will receive a portion of that, and as well as the Solana platform will take their cut. So what I do now is click put for sale, and bam, just like that, I confirm it to sell my sold ad. My wallet comes up and I approve this transaction. I confirm the amount, confirm it's the right sold ad that I'm letting go of, 3552, and I approve. And just like that, my sold ad is now gone, up for sale. Transaction confirmed. It hasn't made me an NFT multi-millionaire, but there you go. So it's that easy buying and selling NFTs. But before you jump headfirst into NFTs, you need to know the risk of the NFT market. It's called the Wild West of crypto, and scams are present in abundance. Fake projects that disappear after the minting process, fraudulent bidding in order to artificially raise floor prices of an NFT, or what you would call a pump and dump, and fake accounts asking for your wallet key, just to name a few. So there you have it, my guide to NFTs. Now you just need to decide if you want to jump in. If you want to see more of this series, make sure you click the subscribe button below, and we'll let you know when they land. Or you can read the latest crypto news by clicking on our website below.